Have you developed a liking for a Virgo man? Do you want him to chase you or fall in love with you? Virgo men are mostly quiet, reserved, and very intelligent. Some of them are so busy working on their goals and ambitions that they almost seem unapproachable. But when they fall in love with someone, they make passionate lovers who can do almost anything for their lovers. If you can make him fall in love with you, you will get a man who is a complete package. This means that he has managed to maintain love and a work life balance. They like to have everything planned and are always making long term plans in their head. If you follow the steps I tell you in this video, I can promise that your Virgo man will at least get closer to you, if not fall in love madly with you. For those who have a doubt on which individual has Virgo as their zodiac sign, they are the people who are born between 23rd of August and 22nd September. If you follow these steps consistently, he will definitely get completely obsessed with you and your personality. So be patient and implement these tactics. Do you promise to watch the video till the end and implement these tactics? First of all, if you want to make any man miss you and fall for you, you need to learn some aspects of a man's psychology and how you can trigger that feeling of uncontrollable love and care in him. I have covered some secret training videos and techniques to cover this and to help you become a high value woman in the true sense. Grab access to my free ebook and training videos from the first link in the description below. It's available for free, so you have nothing to lose and a lot of stuff to learn. So, with that aside, here are some of the ways by which you can grab the attention of a Virgo man and make him miss you badly. Number 1. Make it slow and steady. As I said, Virgo has a natural tendency towards long term thinking. They plan the whole year in advance and set goals that they want to reach every quarter or every year. If you want a Virgo man to fall in love with you, you need to take it slowly and be patient. Virgo men have a strong ability to control their emotions and therefore they take more time in falling in love with someone. Since they are very patient, men take their time to properly know that individual before trusting her. If you don't try to rush things and go slow with a small step at a time, he will surely fall for you. Number 2. Become a high value woman. Virgo men are attracted to high value women like a magnet. If you don't know who's a high value woman, she is a woman who is confident, independent, and can make any man chase her if she wants to. A high value woman rarely gets cheated in a relationship as she is so strong and confident about her man. If you want to become a high value woman, there are some detailed training videos for it. Also, there are some techniques and strategies illustrated in my ebook which will transform you into a high value woman in just 21 days. Get unlimited access to training videos and strategies from the first link in the description box below. It's completely free for my subscribers, so go and grab it before it's too late. Number 3. Appeal to his intellect. Virgo men spend a lot of time lost in their own thoughts or making any plans. They are busy constructing their own world in their minds. This is why they are likely to be spiritual and intelligent. If you spend some time talking to a Virgo man, you will get to know that he is very intelligent in his own expertise. This is because Virgo is a star sign of intellectual brilliance. However, this intelligence and sharpness is an asset that you could benefit from as well. You can ask for his help if you are facing any problem, and his brain will definitely provide you a solution. The more you use his intelligence to solve your problems or take his advice, the more his attention will be towards you. Yes, this may sound weird, but a Virgo man gets attracted to any girl who seeks his help and makes him use his brain and intelligence more often. Number 4. Be that puzzle he wants to solve. Virgo men love to solve puzzles and find solutions to the problems. You, as a woman, can use this to your advantage. But how? When a Virgo man can't solve something, he just wants to get into it even more. If you can display some mysterious behavior to him after you both have started to get too close, he will think about what's happened to you and will analyze everything from the way you text him to the words you choose to talk to him. In this way, he will get more interested in you and hence fall in love with you and your personality. It's a superb way to entice him and draw him closer while making sure he still feels in control. Number 5. Avoid excess of emotional feelings. It is true that Virgo men are passionate lovers and get extremely romantic. But it's also true that they are not comfortable in constantly giving and receiving emotions. Yes, sometimes they seem unresponsive to big gestures of emotions. However, this won't always be the case. It's just that you should be aware of his nature and his behavior. When he is acting cold like that, try and not to get hyper and understand that this trait is present in his zodiac sign itself. Remember, a Virgo man likes a partner who helps to make his world straightforward and easy to navigate. If you can master this balance, you will have found the way to a Virgo man's heart. Number 6. Show yourself reliable. The one thing I can guarantee you about a Virgo is that it gets really easy to make him fall in love with you if he trusts and relies on you. If you are a reliable individual in his heart, half the work is already done. Also, Virgo loves presentation and etiquettes. Having said that, Virgo man loves it when a woman shows she is making the effort to do so. When you are going on a date with a Virgo man, make sure you arrive on time and have paid attention to making yourself presentable. When he is visiting your house, make sure that it's clean, neat, and tidy. If you can make it even more presentable with any showpiece or decorative lights, that would be a bonus. Number 7. Avoid being too shocking. In any dating advice, partners are advised to plan surprise dates or plan something great to show your feeling of affection and care for him. But when it comes to a Virgo man, stay away from surprises and sudden revelations. Again, these men make plans and develop a roadmap of their lives. They want everything in a structural and manageable way. Imagine a comedy movie where someone freaks out as soon as they walk into a room where everyone's hiding to throw a surprise birthday party. The idea of all those eyes on him or being overwhelmed by a flood of new information he doesn't have time to process in the moment is entirely terrifying to a Virgo man. When you are dating a Virgo man, you can expect stability, loyalty, and reliability. But for all this, you would need to stay away from sudden surprises or shocks. If you want to plan something big for him, make sure to give him a hint so he can get time to process that information in his mind. Have you ever been in a relationship with a Virgo man? How was your experience and do you agree with these points in this video? Share your views in the comment section below. And yeah, if you want your man or crush to fall madly in love with you and never cheat on you, download my ebook and video tutorials from the link in the description box. I can promise you that you will learn some really shocking and surprising facts about love and obsession that you may not have heard anywhere before. You see, not everything can be shared on YouTube and other public platforms, and that's why you can download this ebook for free only for a limited time from the first link in the description box below. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Like and share it with your friends if this video helped you by any means. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.